Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. Gemini, I also have your monthly reading for the month of July in my other channel, guys. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. I have given the link in the description. You can watch that for the month of July, guys. So these cards are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career circumstance, guys. Gemini, if you want more clarity, guys, after this reading, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. It's man, mountain, and ship. So Gemini, in your circumstance today, guys, you are someone really skilled and talented, a dedicated person working towards your goals, dreams, whatever you have, aspirations, ambitions, maybe. So in your work or in your relationship, you are really focused on certain things. But though you are hard working, though you are using your skills and talents, and though you are really attentive, careful, you see a lot of obstacles maybe in your work. There may be some delays or suspensions, and a situation is simply challenging you, your circumstances. So in your work, maybe you see a lot of difficult circumstances and you're trying really hard, trying to do your best, trying to do the right thing, handle your situation effectively. But however hard you try, you are not able to overcome that. You are going back again and again into some difficult circumstance, guys, maybe. And the reason for this thing, some kind of a loop, maybe for some of you, you feel that you are in a loop, you are not able to move out. So however hard you are trying, you are in that back to square one again, some kind of delays or suspensions or some troubles in your work or maybe in this relationship. So that is something, maybe something you need to change in you, guys. Maybe you should change the way you are handling your circumstance. Maybe you have certain ideas about yourself, certain beliefs, and you are working based on that. But maybe today you need to think out of the box. So even in this relationship, if you want clarity or if you want to avoid some difficulty you are seeing, maybe this misunderstanding or troubles with this person, you must change the way you see your circumstance, maybe from a different point of view, handle your situation from a different perspective. That is going to give you more clarity, Gemini. So we picked one card for your relationship, guys, and it is Sun. This is a very positive card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that your difficulties are simply going to disappear and you are going to be more successful in this relationship and even in your life. So whatever problems you were facing till now, all that is simply going to vanish and you are going to see happiness, a beautiful compatibility, and a better understanding with this person. Things are going to resolve between you both, guys, Gemini, in your relationship. So whatever challenges you faced, all that is going to disappear for you, guys, Gemini. So for your career circumstance, guys, we have Dog. So with this card, it just means that you are a very responsible person, reliable, trustworthy. So whatever you plan for, you are working towards that. So you have honest intentions, honest motives, and you are making good efforts, that is the reason that is going to work in your favor, guys, Gemini. You are going to be really successful. Hard work will always pay off, guys. So maybe you may face some difficulties today, but all that is going to resolve, whatever it is, Gemini. So this is a very positive card here, guys. When it comes in a reading, it just mitigates all that negative energy. So just means that you are going to be happy in this relationship and really successful in your career situation, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading, Gemini. And please watch the monthly reading for the month of July. I have shared the link in the description. You can watch that reading, guys. Thank you, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that, they are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.